Ayan, first off the bat, meron tayong Fallen by Lauren Kate. Nakakuha din tayo ng Rick Riordan. Ayan, pagpasok pa lang ng store, nakita ko na agad itong American Gods by Neil Gaiman. Ayan, check natin. Since pre-love to, meron siya mga sometimes damage. Ayan, no. So, for example, this one, ayan, may damage page. Sayang. Sayang naman. But it's okay. Let's move on to the next book. Ayan, next natin is Cassandra Clare, Clockwork Angel. So, double check natin yung pages. And, ayun, boom, may damage din. Okay, move on to the next. And eto na, matapos ng isang oras nating pagpili ng book, eto yung nakuha natin. Ayan, first off the bat, meron tayong Fallen by Lauren Kate. Nakakuha din tayo ng Rick Riordan. Ayan. Nakakuha tayo ng Sidney Sheldon. Nice. Itong Sharp Objects, meron lang siyang foxing. Pero goods pa naman yung loob niya. Ayan. And then of course, ang walang kamatayang Twilight. Ayan, nakakuha ko ng magandang copy. Malinis pa yung edges. Ito, ang ganda ng movie nito, guys. Thursday Murder Club. Itong ating Hunger Games, Catching Fire. And then, syempre, si Pita Kostler, Power of Six. Isa pang Twilight, pero yung kulay black version. Ayan. Night Music. Ayan. And then, Watching You. Watching You by Disa Jewel. Meron lang siyang foxing. Pero kaya pa naman yung linisan.